How to start an incognito mode or enter any incognito tab in Google Chrome. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can go incognito in your Google browser. So in order to start or create a new incognito tab, you have these options. The first thing that you can do is use the keyboard shortcut of Control Shift and N button, and it will enter you into an incognito tab. Or also you can click onto these three dots at the top right corner, and from here you can click onto this new incognito window option, or also the shortcut that I told you, that is Control Shift and N. So click onto this new incognito window option and it will lead you to a new incognito tab. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.